start again. It's a rage thing.
Hello everyone and welcome back to YK Recreation. So got a little problem today. The boost keeps fluctuating. It gets to 1.1 and then it drops slightly. And I kind of figured it out why it's doing that. It looks like the actual bit on top of the turbo is a smaller hole than the one on the other one. So what happens is when it hits boost, that it opens and closes. Do you know what? I'll show you now and you'll know exactly what I mean. Mind the hair clip. That's what's holding the thing on. But if you look here, the actual actuator rod hole is a lot bigger than the internal wastegate on the turbo. So when it does want to open the internal wastegate, yeah, it pulls on this rod. I can't pull it because I'm using one hand, and that has that much delay, if you know what I mean, before it touches. And when it is open, it could possibly shake around in there as well. So ideally I need another one of these. I'm gonna go check on a spare TDO4 turbo to see if the end bit of the actuator rod is smaller. So let's quickly go head over and check. If you look on this one, yeah, this is a very dirty turbo, but if you see there, it's a TDO4. And on the TDO4, the circle, it's a lot bigger than the one on my turbo. My turbo, this bit here, you know, the actual internal bit of the wastegate, what the actuator rod sits on, small on my car. So when it's, you know what I mean, that's what I meant by when it's making boost, it's this bit is kind of fluctuating because it's not a solid fit. Which is a bit strange, to be fair. And they usually do have these. It's a bit of a strange one, as you've seen. You'd think it'd be smaller on the TDO4. Mind the dog. I think my man wants to be in the video as well. Shut up. No. So yeah, you can see, man. I thought it'll be a quick, easy fix today. We'll put the TDO4 end cap, twist it off, put it on this TDO5. But it's, even the hole is different, and it has a circlip instead of a hole through this. This has got a hole. That's got some sort of circlip on it. So yeah, I think we're just going to have to find another way. If you lot know how I could fix this to make that hole smaller. I don't know if welding would hold that, because you don't really want to weld it unless you weld it and then drill a fresh new hole the same size as that internal wastegate. But I've got no idea. Might need your help on this one, guys. So yeah, if you've got any ideas, let me know. But as of this time, what I'm just gonna do is adjust it out one turn, see if I can put a new clip in there and just take it off for a little drive. So let's just do that now and then see what it feels like. Oh, right, fight. Oh, come on, man, stupid hair clip. The hair clips are strong, yo. If anyone needs some strong piece of wire, use this clip. This clip don't want to come out. Ah, man. What the hell is wrong with this clip? Ah, that is a tough clip, man. When I put this on last time, I thought it might snap. That is never gonna snap. Right, man. Make some heavy duty girl clips. Just now, what we need to do is we've got this out. We're not putting this back in. Imagine having to take that out. Come here, yeah. What we're gonna do is to adjust the boost. All I'm gonna do is pop this off and turn it in. Half a turn. That's all I'm going to turn it. Half a turn. And that should bring it back to, that should up it to 1.2. Just need to loosen that bolt a bit because it's still a bit ding dong, and then push it on. But yeah, that's how I'm upping the boost. The only reason why I'm upping the boost is because when I fixed all these boost leaks, it did go up to 1.6 bar boost, so then I had to drop it, and now I'm getting it back to 1.2 for what it was mapped to. You don't really want to be messing with it unless your car's mapped to that, and then you're just doing minor tweaks to get it back to what it was. But yeah, unless you're a bit of a madman and you want more boost and you want to blow everything up, by all means give this a try. Strange bird. So I found these little pieces to put through the hole to see what fits. So I want something to just put in and take out easily, because that pin was too solid. Let me see what's wrapped up in here, this solid tape. So I've got these pins here as well. So this should push through the hole and then split open. I'm even going to try this keyring thing here, see if that fits through the hole. So come with me, come on people. Let's have a look. What fits in the hole? Let's see if a big split pin fits through the hole. No, never, that won't ever fit. Next size split pin. Oh yeah. No, how small is this bloody hole, man? That don't even fit. Let's try the smallest then. Let's try the smallest. Yeah. Right, that fits. It's really weak. It's really weak, that. So let me try. This feels a lot stronger than that crappy clip. It's just gonna be a bit awkward to get in the hole. I think this keyring might hold it, you know. It looks like the same size. So I've already adjusted it. I've only adjusted it half a turn for you that are curious, to get it up to hopefully back to 1.2. So pop this back on. That's popped on. Now come on, let's try the clip. I'm so excited, guys. You're not going to believe how excited I am to drive this. I paid tax insurance on it. I don't even get to drive it because it's always in this back garage. Plus I need to start on the purple one. So yeah, it's gonna get driven today, and I'm gonna take all you lot with me on the drive. So stay tuned, because you lot are coming with me. If we can get this in, hopefully we can get this in. Yes, it's gone in. Imagine someone sees this. Oh, that'd be well funny, man. What's holding your turbo one? Oh, nothing, just a keyring. It is a bit thin, that. It's got a little bit of play. Do you think we should try going one bigger? No. What? No, you know what? Forget going one bigger. Let me see if I can get this one side of this clip in it as well. No. No, now I'm just being silly. Now I'm just being stupid. Well, yeah, that will pop off now. Yeah, no, that will pop off. This keyring's a lot stronger than that bloody thing. Man's holding the internal wastegate of this boosted car with a bloody keyring. That's what life's coming to. So yeah, let's go test it, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen.
Catch the chicken! Catch the chicken! Catch the chicken!
The hell have you managed to get yourself trapped in there like that?
Ah! You can see the bucket. How to get? Ah!
There's no leg room here for you. There's no leg room here for him.
No. Okay, Daddy.
He's actually stuck himself. Come here. Get out. Get out. Now go in reverse. Put your left leg in first. There you go. Put your belt on. Put your belt on. Whose phone have you got?
My mom.
Oh my god, no phone allowed in the Subarus, mate. Give me the phone, otherwise you're not coming. Phone or not coming? Is it your phone?
Yeah.
Go on, little 2-year-old got phone. Give me the phone. Put your belt on. We're going chilling. No phones allowed. Come on, put your belt on. We don't need phones to chill. Right, are you ready, boys?
Yeah, ready.
Are you ready to see if the Subaru's making boost again? We've just put fuel in. Let's see if it's making boost again.
Oh yeah.
Let's open the windows a little bit.
Really hot.
Let's give it a little blip.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
We've got boost again.
Yeah, it's got a little bit more boost.
But did we see what it was going to?
Yeah.
You see what PSI it was making though?
Yeah. It was
No.
It was faster than before.
It feels a bit faster than before, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Road works. You don't drive fast where it's not safe.
It is a traffic.
That's traffic,
Oh, it's
yeah.
only 2 people in 2 cars.
Look at that view. Do you like that view?
Whoa. Very nice.
Very nice. Look at the motorbikes. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa, whoa.
Hello, Mr. Biker. Hello, look. Hello, Mr. Biker's going left, right.
Hello. What's happening?
Mr. Biker is going left, right. Do you see him?
Yeah.
Sapling, Mr. Biker.
What's going on, yo?
Listen, you know them bikes, mate. You're not catching this.
Electric.
You're not catching a super bike. I tell you that. You're not catching a super bike. Once that. How do you do it? No, not who. Subarus do all. Yeah.
They do sometimes. See the shift? Shake it. Can you see the shift go? Yeah, look, you hear it. Catch him. Come back here. Mr. Ford in. Mr. Ford, come back. Mr. Ford. Oh, Mr. Ford, so fast. Mr. Ford.
Watch, listen to this. Sounds better than before, innit? Because now we've got no boost leaks. Well, we have still got one to fix. That's from the idle control valve. Do you know what the idle control valve is, boy?
No.
The idle control valve is what controls the revs when it's at 1200 revs. Okay, boss? Okay. Yeah, so we need to sort that out. But it's nice to feel boost, innit?
Yeah. Feels nice.
Feels nice, doesn't it, bro?
Yep.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro. Yep.
Oh, look at this hill here.
Oh, look at that bridge. Is that the bridge that you went on TikTok and clicked the fingers in?
No, that's another one. You never go fast downhill. Do you know why?
Because that's you.
Because-
That's wrong.
Yeah, exactly. Whoa, that's actually facts there, mate. Your brakes just start fading, mate, and there's no need to go fast downhill because anything can go fast downhill. If I put you in a bathtub with wheels and send you down this hill, you will be chipping. No brakes.
Yeah,
It
no
doesn't matter. Just turn and start going back up the hill. Look, because now get to the bottom, go down the hill, drop a gear. And that's it. And that's it, mate. And then just come up this hill. Yeah. And then when it's safe to do so, no cars around, drop a gear. And then when the speed limit comes, obviously you slow down to the speed limit. You gotta drive sensibly, you know.
I don't know that.
No, you know. I think you boys like adrenaline.
Yeah.
That mean we're gonna throw you out a plane?
No!
Is that
gone too far.
Has that gone too far? Yeah.
Too far.
Guys, if you like drives out, if you like watching drives out with me and my nephews, let me know, man, and I'll start doing it more often. Because I tell you something. Huh? These lot are funny, man. I am telling you, these lot make my day sometimes. They can be annoying sometimes. Sometimes, yeah. Look, he agrees, but sometimes you just gotta.
Can't be fun in the pit.
You just gotta live in it. See that sign there? That says we can do the national speed limit. So what does that mean? Drop a gear and disappear.
Oh yeah! Drop it! Oh yeah! Is that slow then?
Yeah, now we're slowing down.
Is that slow? But I'm confused.
Yeah, that's why we're slowing down. Oh, look at that steam train.
What?
There's a steam train there.
Oh yeah?
Whoa, guys, I don't know if you've seen that, but there's an actual steam train there. Whoa, we need to go see that. We need to see that. No, we're stopping here, mate. We need to go see that steam train.
Serious?
Serious.
Aye.
Let's go see that steam train, people. Oh my god, I wasn't even joking. There's an actual steam train there. Oh, you can't see? You can't see? Alright, follow me. Stick to the side of the road. Stick to the side of the road.
Stick to the wall. Get some good. Stick to the wall.
Come on. Stand on the side of the road. Go look through that gap there. Go look through that gap. Look, there's an actual steam train. Look. It does say a number on it, but I don't know what that number says. But don't you think that is so cool?
There's tracks through there.
Sharks?
There's tracks.
Oh, tracks, yeah, because is this a railway station? Some old school railway station.
But it said 4, 3, 9.
Guys, get in the car. Don't step on no mud.
My legs are too wild.
Yeah, your legs are too wild. Whoa, there's so many birds, yo. I don't know if you are seeing that, but there's so many birds flying. Stay in the car. Why is there so many birds here? Yo, what's happening, mate? My man pulled his phone out, yeah? Look at all these birds here. There's millions of birds.
10,000.
10,000. Big cow shit.
Yeah.
Cow poo. You lot on the mud one, mate. Where are you gonna go see all these seagulls?
I'm gonna go
Closer.
Don't tell the birds, okay?
Don't tell the birds.
Don't tell the birds.
Oh, they're coming. Let's go a bit closer.
I'm gonna scare you all.
Look what they were eating here. What the hell were they eating on this? Is this food?
I think it's cow poo.
No, they're not cow poo. It doesn't smell that bad. It doesn't stink, bro. Listen, I don't know what this is. Oh, don't step in it. Oh my god, my foot stopped. Oh my god, oh my god, you do not want to step in there. But that's what they were eating.
Oh my god.
I wonder what that is. No idea. But that's what they were eating, people. All these millions of birds. Look, they're coming. Oh, they're coming. That's what they were eating.
We just came back from the thingy that we had. All the things.
Yeah, that was fun, wasn't it?
We're crazy.
See how many birds there were, people. So yeah, we're just gonna end it here, man. We've had a good day. The car's running.
Shoes are muddy.
Your shoes are muddy, yeah, don't worry. Who's gonna clean my car, mate?
No, that's gonna be you, your car. You own the car.
Doesn't matter, your dirty shoes are in it. You're gonna have to clean it.
No, I'm not clean.
But yeah, it was good fun.
Good fun, yeah.
Make sure you like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.